What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max back here with a brand new video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Blu Vivo 11. Not the 11 Plus, just the 11, because this device has different specs from the other ones that you've seen on our YouTube here. So before we get this video started here, I want to let you guys know that I am recording this here on my bed. I got the tripod set up on the bed. It's probably going to be moving back and forth a little bit, so just bear with me because I was too lazy to go actually set up out in the living room, so I'm doing it here in the bed. Now, with the Blu Vivo 11 here, look at the specs. We got a 5.9-inch HD plus all-screen design. It has the MediaTek Helio P22 2 GHz octa-core processor, 32 gigs of internal storage, 3 gigs of RAM. You have a dual 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera in the back, a 16 megapixel selfie camera. You have a 3000 milliamp hour battery, advanced security fingerprint sensor, and Android 8.1 Oreo. So this is a device that has the notch. So what are those phones here? And I'm curious to see how it looks and how it performs. So shout out to Blu, because I've seen this unboxing already with some YouTubers, and it's pretty interesting because it did a little something different with the box. So let me go get this plastic off. All right. So boom, there we go. Whoa, a little bit too fast there. All right, so boom, there's the phone there. Got a little nice weight to it. I like that already. Nice weight. Inside the box, it says here that it includes a handset, obviously the phone. You get a charger, data cable, a quick guide, stereo headset, a screen protector, and 2 silicone cases. So that's nice of them. Go ahead and put that plastic over there on the side. So you get your USB Type C, or is it micro USB? Hold on. No, they didn't. Yeah, they did. The device actually has micro USB instead of Type C. So they had to find a way to cut corners and save money, and well, they did with that. You get a micro USB charging cable. You get your stereo headphones here, which is nice of them to include, which is something that they've been doing for quite some time now. Let's go ahead and give those a look. Pretty standard looking headphones, but I got my own skull candies that I'm gonna use, so no big deal. Leave that in the box. Leave this in the box as well, because I already have a micro USB charging cable. Here's the charging brick. Now this doesn't look like it has any type of quick charge at all, but it does say 5 volts, 2 amps, so maybe it is. We're going to go ahead and test that with another charger here that I have. It's the Huawei charger down there. Got your SIM ejection tool, your books, and shot the floss, your books and shit. So here's the one silicone case here. It's clear. I'm probably going to be using that one. And then, come on, get back in the bag. Don't be hard with me. This is really messy. And then here's the other one with the Blu branded on the back. So I like that they gave you 2 of them. And then here's the screen protector here. Now, is this tempered glass, or is it just a regular screen protector? Now, this packaging does seem kind of hard here, so. Oh, there goes the camera. It was getting ready to fall, y'all. I caught it live in video. I might just make this all one take too, and just upload it straight to the YouTube channel, because sometimes those videos are the best ones. So no editing. I probably ain't gonna do any editing in this one. Come on, let me get the screen protector out. Jeez. Oh yeah, it's tempered. It's a tempered glass screen protector. So shout out to Blu. That's dope of them. And let's go and get this phone out the wrapping here. Definitely has a premium design to it. And I'm not sure if that's glass in the back, but it looks like it's glass. It looks pretty good. Check that out, y'all. Oh, whoa, fall again. Looks really good. Downsides is it has micro USB for the charge, and there's a speaker on the bottom. It does have a nice chrome metal feel on the outside of the phone. It feels really nice in the hand. I have to admit that. But let's go ahead and get that screen protector off. It's on it right now. I'm going to be keeping this phone here, so don't expect that to go back. And it looks like it already has a screen protector on it, actually. Oh yeah, it does. It has a regular screen protector on it. So I'll probably just leave that on there. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just go ahead and pause the video, get this device set up as most as I can, and yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so we are back here. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here because this is probably gonna take a good minute to actually get everything set up because I got so many apps coming from one phone to the other one here, and it's currently restoring, as you can see. So with that going on, it's going to be a good while before I actually get to use the phone here. So what I'm going to do is just come back with my first impressions video and let you guys, know my experience here with the device here. Oh, wait. It says editing. It's adding the finishing touches now. So let's see. Yeah, nothing so far. But, yeah. I'm coming back with my first impressions here of the video to let you guys know exactly what I think of the device. So if you have anything you want to see in particular here with the Blu Vivo 11, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to get that done for you. But of course, like the video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted in the future, you'll be notified of it immediately. But until then, my name is Maxarot. I want to say thank you, of course, for watching this video. And you have a good day. Deuces.